Okay, a new trail, a lot of mud holes. Another hard bottom though so far. Ooh, a little deep. Still two-wheel drive so far. Look bad. Ready to clean these things up after today in this red mud. Uh-oh, she had a tow strap hanging off already. Moving. Yeah, it probably goes around and comes back up. He's going though. Guess we may need to go swimming with him. Uh-oh. That did shut off. My boot's full too. I'm going up right in there with you. Right there we ooh, it went in my boots. Oh man, it's cold in my shoe. Woo. Whoa, shoot. That's a good spot to be in. I'm about to fall off. Just wanting to. Whoa. Come on, baby. Woo. Thank you, God, for differential lock. Oh, man. I'm sorry, going to soak most of it up. Okay. Might be easier to throw a strap. Don't slide in. Yeah, that sucker's a bad one for sure, isn't it? That should be plenty, yeah.
Why did it shut off?
Mine picks up water from my belt drive right under the hood and under the tank. I don't think you got in the tank. I think you're gonna be all right. Just hook them together. Yeah. I think you just kind of got bogged a little and cut off. Let's see. was deep. Huh?
It won't even drop start.
Oh. Don't make sense, does it? I think it may be widening up in there a little bit. It's all kind of to one side. I'm going to take some cable off of them, I believe. Maybe it goes to ride a little bit. There you go. Nothing in there. Hey. How did it kill a battery?
I don't think it killed the battery.
Think it
Headlights on good?
If you ever let them go dead, a lot of times they'll suck water back in it, and that might be what happened.
I didn't shut it off.
Yeah.
It shut itself off. I mean, look.
Yeah. That's probably got water. It's probably going to be able to stand it up on its tail end. Can you still hook your hook where you can pull up, or not quite long enough? Let's see. Stand him up, I think. He's out of gear. Okay. See a tree big enough to stand it up under. I'll have to do it by hand. I need to come up more. Probably going to stand up on its butt end and let it drain out.
It sounds like the motor's locked down to me.
That's what it does. It runs up against your piston in the water. Now it's in gear now.
You want me to put the
And
brake
park.
on?
Yeah. Your back brake. Oh, there you go. Wonder if we can pick this thing up and stand up on its end or not. Slick as it can be. That's what's going to have to be done. Did it? That's what it is. If you ever let them cut off, it'll suck them full of water. It might not got to your plug yet. Ain't a tree limb strong enough here, I don't think. I was looking for a tree we could get under to run your winch to.
Y'all, I'm freaking.
Nah, ain't nothing. No big deal yet. Let's see. Pine limb, ain't no way it'll hold. It'll snap off.
Why don't we, y'all hook a tow strap to me and try to, or
That's the worst thing you can do. It's going to suck it in through your valves and stuff.
No,
You need to stand on the butt end.
no, what I'm talking about is try to find it somewhere where we can get the four-wheeler aiming up like that, or a tree limb over top.
We can do that. Turn around and let her pull you out here somewhere. You want to turn around, I'll hook to the back of you. Yeah, that's what's got to be done, stand on its end. If you ever let one go dead, it is scary. It sucks it back in there. It'll fill your piston up, may have fouled your plug out, and it may not have. But it's definitely full of water. She said it run out as quick as we raised it up.
Yeah.
I can use this cable. You don't need to taste. Oh, okay. Got an axe? I got an axe. We both like to be in the same shape. Mine quit running too. It's weird. I didn't think I was underwater nowhere, but must have been.
Back up.
Turn around and back up to me. That's why I cut the camera off for now.